Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by validating crawlability and measurement, so you know what Google sees and what to fix. Run a full site crawl, fix 404, submit sitemap, XML and confirm robots. TXT allows indexing. Once done, install Analytics and Search Console, verify the domain, and set conversion goals so trends are meaningful. Then pick 5 10-seed keywords tied to user intent, map each keyword to a specific page, standardize URL slugs, and H1s to avoid keyword overlap and wasted crawl budget. You now optimize pages to rank. Adjust title tags and meta descriptions for CTR, put the target keyword early and craft unique, helpful snippets. Rewrite page content to match search intent, add depth, examples, lists, and structured headings so readers and bots find value. Improve technical UX, compress and lazy load images, minify CSS/JS, and confirm responsive layout for mobile-first indexing. Once done, add structured data, schema, for key pages and canonical tags to prevent duplication and consolidate ranking signals. You finish by creating authority and maintaining momentum. Launch a link-building plan, target relevant sites, reclaim mentions, and boost internal linking to spread equity. Monitor rankings, traffic, core web vitals, and Search Console for crawl errors and manual actions. Track conversions to prove ROI. Iterate weekly. /B test titles and snippets, refresh underperforming pages, and fix new crawl issues promptly. Troubleshooting tip. If rankings drop suddenly, immediately check Search Console for manual penalties, robots, TXT changes, and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.